Auntie, we've been waiting for a bus for more than 30 minutes, but there are no buses for us to enter.
Where did all the buses go to? We'll be late for our friend's birthday party.
So sorry, kids. We may actually be late for the birthday party.
But
why,
Auntie?
That's because the bus drivers are on strike.
Auntie, what is a strike?
Let me tell you a short story about the first national strike in Nigeria. In 1945, something interesting happened in Nigeria. In those years, when Nigeria was under British rule, most workers worked very hard, but they didn't have enough money to cover their needs. They had families to take care of, food to buy, and bills to pay. These workers, like teachers, railway staff, and other government workers, wanted an increase in their pay. They wanted better wages to support their families. But when the government didn't listen, the workers had an idea.
Auntie, what did they do?
They decided to go on strike.
Wow. Like what is happening now?
Yes, a strike is when workers stop working to show they're serious about what they need. So the first national strike in Nigeria was in 1945. This means that workers across the whole country came together and went on a strike. Offices and schools were closed because workers did not go to work.
Wow.
The strike lasted for 45 days and workers did not go to work. Just like the empty road without buses, the country was quiet. Eventually, the government decided to give the workers their demands and the strike ended.
Yay!
The national strike helped people understand that every job is important and that everyone deserves some fair payment for their hard work. It also showed the power of unity, how people can achieve great things when they stand together for a good cause.
I guess we'll have to go back home then. No more birthday party for us today.
Yes,